This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by locating the local backup file named like MSG store. DB. Crypt12 in the WhatsApp databases folder. This is essential. Once found, transfer the entire databases folder to the same path on the new phone using USB, SD, or a direct file transfer app. Make sure file timestamps remain intact. Do this before installing WhatsApp so the installer can detect the local backup. Also confirm the phone number you will verify matches the original. Because WhatsApp ties back, you now install WhatsApp and proceed through verification. Use the same phone number you used previously. When the app scans for backups, it looks for that database's folder path. Choose Restore from Local Backup when prompted. This instructs WhatsApp to import messages from the transferred MSG store file. Make sure you allowed storage permissions so the app can read the file. If the restore prompt does not appear, stop and confirm the database's folder and file names are correct. Then reopen the installer. You finish by letting WhatsApp complete the restore, messages import first, and media downloads afterward to save time. Once done, review chats to confirm content. Make sure you verify any prompt to restore media. If the process fails, try simple fixes. Confirm the backup file name exactly matches MSG store. DB. Crypt12 ensure storage permission is granted and that you verified the same phone number. If issues persist, retransfer the database's folder from the old device and repeat the installation and restore steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.